Hey guys, it's your girl Yamina Hall here, and in today's video, guys, I'm doing a quick updated review of the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp program. Okay, so today's video we're going to just go over the Affiliate Bootcamp, how you can get started for free, and what it entitles. All right, so we are here on the Affiliate Bootcamp home page, and this is a new design, guys. This is something Russell Brunson actually has updated over the past, I think, a year or so. But this is a new design. I really like it. It looks really cool. Now, this Affiliate Bootcamp is how to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. And Russell has a little video here that I will
you love ClickFunnels, and I'm curious,
play.
how many guys, all you want to do all day is just build funnels. Okay.
Actually, let's start
and
here.
during this free presentation, I'm going to show you how you can retire in just 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. Now, I'm sure some of you guys after hearing that are thinking, Russell, this sounds way too good to be true. But I promise you guys, if you pay close attention by the end of this video, not only will you believe it's true, you'll know the exact path and the process that it takes to get you there. And I promise you it's a lot easier than you think.
So he's going to be going through different strategies. The process is to help you actually, promote the ClickFunnels program, and he's going to show you different strategies to help you do this. So guys, if you follow this over the next 100 days, it is possible that maybe you can retire. So this is really good for newbies, beginners who are just getting their feet wet in affiliate marketing and the online make money space. So this is a good step-by-step, kind of like hold your hand. They show you a lot of good things in the training. So this is good if you are new. But I want to talk to you about how you can actually get started on the affiliate bootcamp. So what you can do is go. Let's see, I'm going to refresh this because it should be, here it is. So what you can do here, go here to join the 100-day challenge. So you click on this button and it's going to ask you for your email. So what you're going to do is just type in your email and click the I'm ready to go to get started, and it doesn't want to go away. And then once that happens, you're going to get an email in your inbox, and it's going to say ABC Day 1 and overview, and it's just a simple email from Russell where he's going to let you know about the affiliate bootcamp overview. So they're going to give you, let's go, you click on that link and then you're going to go to day 1, and in day 1, let's play a little bit of that. He has some training with that.
Hey everyone, this is Russell again. I want to welcome you guys to Affiliate Bootcamp. Now, I'm so excited for this training and something that's going to help you a lot, but only if you commit to the next 100 days. So I want to make sure you guys make a commitment to the next 100-day process. If you do that, by the time this process is over, I promise you.
So he's talking about making the commitment over the next 100 days to follow the process, okay? And then after that, he gives you like your action steps, so things to do after you watch the first video to get you going, right? And then let's see, there's day 1 of the overview. Okay, now what I wanted to talk to you guys about too, how you can actually, you see how all these days are locked, so you can't actually go and watch the next day until you unlock it. But let me show you the cool thing. It has unlock all the tabs right here. So let me show you something real quick. To get the full course, you can actually go ahead and connect with the affiliate bootcamp course through Messenger. So if you click the send to Messenger, he's actually going to send you all the days unlocked so you can go through the whole training right on your phone, guys. this is cool. You can actually do it right here on your phone through Messenger. So you're not always having to sit at the computer to actually do the boot camp. So this is awesome, guys. I think this is great for newbies. I think this is an awesome boot camp to actually go through, to just, get your feet wet, get a feel for what ClickFunnels is and how you can use it to help generate your business and grow leads and get sales. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I am going to leave a link in the description of this video so you can actually get started on the affiliate bootcamp today. And another thing, guys, I'm going to give you guys a bonus. If you sign up under my ClickFunnels link, I'm going to give you a 30-minute free coaching with myself. Okay, this is just to help guide you if you have any questions or anything like that. So what I'm going to need you to do is just make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and this way you'll be able to get notified of when I do new videos just like the one you're watching here right now. So great, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you got some value, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.